So what have you been up to tonight?
Well, the hand's been up my ass pretty much through my mouth. See?
Dang.
Yeah, no. Meat, cheese, meat, cheese, meat, cheese, meat, cheese. Meat and do you like meat and cheese?
I guess on sandwiches.
Slim motherfucking Shady, what's up, bro? You like meat sandwiches?
What?
You like meat sandwiches?
I guess so, yeah.
What's a meat sandwich?
Ham, turkey, pepperoni.
Yeah, but what kind of bread?
Mm, Italian.
Oh, you like Italian? Oh man, you're not a wheat guy or a rye?
I like wheat, but Italian's my favorite.
Well, I'm black. Cool. So I'm like that rye bread. Yeah, how long you been growing out your hair for?
2 years.
Only took you 2 years? What the fuck?
It was like all the way up to here probably like 2 years ago.
How old are you?
26.
The fuck, bro, where you from?
Virginia.
The fuck is that to do with yo? You look like you're starving, bro.
Nah,
Bro, you gotta go eat some fucking food, bro. I don't know if I
I eat
want
a
to
lot.
you or feed you.
I look what?
Bro, I don't know if I want to fight you or feed you.
I mean, I like free food.
Touche.
I don't know anyone that would pass up free food.
Yeah, but what if it was like shit on a piece of bread? Like I literally took a shit on a piece of bread and tried to serve it to you.
No, that's a little different.
What if I use the word bon appetit? That's pretty like cool. That's French. Some
I
shit. Like
guess.
then you would eat it?
No,
You just said that you guess.
no, I didn't say I guess to that. I'm saying if you said appetit and fed me something that wasn't shit.
You didn't say it like that. You didn't say all those words to clarify it.
Oh, well, I clarified.
Why are you having an attitude with me?
I don't.
You're giving off this whole attitude. I don't like it.
It's like an attitude kind of vibe.
Whoa, whoa. Don't ever snap your fingers at me like that ever again.
I'll snap them if I want.
Oh, she's a gangster. It's a she, it's a he, it's a he, it's a she. He's gay, haha. He said he's gay, haha. She, man. It's fucked up. I didn't say it, he said it. Not feeling good like I should. That I can't deal with right now. Feeling good. I bet his name is Henry. Yeah, you're a funny motherfucker. I bet his name is Henry. Yeah. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on right now? This is the gayest thing I've ever seen. They even painted the boy from South hair red. Are you guys meth heads? There's three of them? God, meth head central. They're at McDonald's. He alive? He OD? I think he OD. Hit him with the Narcan. He started laughing. You fucking junkie. Get your life together. Fucking junkie. You're disintegrating before my eyes. You look like a cracked out Velma from Scooby-Doo, bro. Can't find my crack pipe. You fucking straight up look like Velma cracked out for the last 4 years of her life. I can't find my glasses. I can't find my crack pipe anywhere. There's 4 of you? Oh, shit. How many shots did it take? You pissed on. But you guys see the static shit going on, or is it just me? I think it's an active mess. Oh, now it went away. They're watching games. Oh, looks like a fucking picture of the house. They're jerking each other off. They don't have enough muscle. I'm not gonna fucking do that. Fucking junkie. The fuck, bro? I'm sorry. What the hell? Now feeling good. Like I should. None were females, lol. Yeah, this is crazy. It should automatically put me back. Fucking crackheads central. Drugs do amazing things. Look at this guy. What is what you're doing for fun tonight? The only thing